this video, we will be going over the detail page. The detail page is where items can be added or modified while still in quote form, or viewed if it has been submitted and converted to an order. No modifications can be made after a quote has been submitted. If you would like to modify any items in your order before it has been confirmed, please contact the Coeur d'Alene Window Company. To open the detail page, click the Detail button at the bottom of the header page. This is a new quote, so the first item has already been created for us. Now we just need to specify what the model number and dimensions are, and we will get the Options tab to appear. To enter in a model number, there are 3 different ways you can do it. Either enter in manually, or begin typing in the drop-down. To filter the options, you will see if I type in 21 here, only values with 21 in them will appear. Or if you're not sure your specific model number you would like to enter, click on this magnifying glass and this will open up the model lookup pop-up where you can select by series and then by the style and then by the particular model you would like. Once you have your model selected, click Accept, and this will populate the model number text box. Next is the package drop-down. It is not required that you select an option package, but if you have created an option package, this is where you can select it. You can also select it after the dimensions have been created and anytime while still in quote form. Next is vinyl color, followed by the quantity of this item, and then the dimensions. You have 2 options on how to enter in dimensions. Either enter in the callout code or manually enter in both the width and the height. You can enter in the callout code in either the width or height text box and it will still register. If you are not sure what a callout code is, click on this magnifying glass button and the callout lookup will appear where you can search for specific callout codes, and there's also this paragraph here that details what a callout is. We will enter in a callout code. And now that the dimensions have been filled out, we now get our main Options tab. If the model number entered has subunits, you will also get multiple other Options tabs as well. There will always be at least one, which is the main Option tab, but there may be other tabs as well, and those will be for the specific subunits of the window. Next to the callout, you have the measure type drop-down. If a callout code is entered, the measure type will always convert to rough open measure type. Below that is the location text box. This is not a required text box, but may be helpful for you when placing your order. In the Options tab, you can see there are multiple drop-downs, as well as checkboxes, as well as radio groups. And there are even text boxes at the very bottom for manufacturer comments and customer comments. You will notice there are multiple lock checkboxes all over the Options tab. If you are to lock an option, that means any change done to that particular option when locked will be considered a global change. So if I had multiple items in my quote, and I were to lock flush fin and then change it to K-frame, all applicable items in this quote will also be changed to K-frame. But if I keep an option unlocked, then the option change will only happen for this particular item. For the grids options, once you make a selection of your grid type you would like, more components will appear and the canvas will draw those grids on your window. The manufacturer comments text box are any comments about this particular item that you would like the Coeur d'Alene Window Company to know about. And the customer comments text box is any comments you would like your customer to know about this particular item. This comment will appear on the printed out PDF if you print out a customer PDF. On the right side of the screen at the top, we have the Dimensions tab that will show the manufactured size, glass size or sizes depending on the model, as well as screen size or sizes depending on the model. The next tab is the Pricing tab, where you'll see the list retail price, the discount percent, the net price, the quantity, and the extended net, and then the extended sum of the entire order. Below that, we have the canvas drawing of your particular window that you have entered. You saw before that will have grids on it. This particular one also has sashes that have been drawn, as well as arrows indicating which way the vents open up. Next to that is the options list. At the top of the list will be the NFRC U value if this particular window has one. If not, it will show this NA here. And below that will be a list of all the options of this particular item, so you can view at a glance what this particular item contains. Below that will be the grid listing all of the items in this quote or order. The first column is item number, followed by model number, then quantity, the width, the height, the location, and then the duplicate and delete columns. You'll notice you have this duplicate icon and this delete icon. If you'd like to duplicate a particular item, click on that certain records icon. And if you'd like to delete a particular item, click on that particular item's delete icon. You'll notice at the bottom of the grid we have the total quantity and the weighted average for the NFRC value. If we would like to create a new item, we click this button here. I'll create another item just so we can view the calculator and print functionalities in better detail. Now that they both have been created, we will view the calculator. The price calculator will have a breakdown of the price of this particular quote or order. You will see the item number, the model numbers, the quantities, the list price, the discount for that item, any add-ons that have been applied by us as the Coeur d'Alene Window Company, your purchase price, any markups you have given, the sell price, which is the purchase price plus the markup amount, and then the purchase extended and the sell extended. Below that, we'll have this text box where you can manually enter in a markup percent for the entire order here if you would like, as a quick and easy way to add a markup. Then the total quantity, the total purchase extended, total sale extended, the total markup in percent, and the total markup in dollar amount. And finally, we have the print button. This is the same print button that's down below here as well as on the header page. If you click on that, you are able to choose between whether it's for dealer or for customer. The only difference is for dealer will show your purchase price, and for customer will show your sell price with the markups included. Once you have selected which version you would like, then select which PDF you would like to create, whether it's default, which means it will show all pricing, or only extended total price, or no line or total price. Once you have made your selections, then click Create PDF. And a PDF will be created of your quote or order. You will see your dealer information here, your shipping address, the job name, the PO number, the order date, and estimated ship date if the quote has been submitted and processed into an order, and then a breakdown of each item with the line item number, the location and any comments about that particular item, the model number, the color, the measured size and the manufactured size, the description and the canvas drawing, the selected options. This is the same options list given in the detail page, the NFRC value if applicable, as well as the per unit amount, the quantity, and the extended amount. Since we selected the default value, we also get the extended sum, any tax that we have given this particular quote or order, and the extended sum with the tax as a total sum. Below that, you will see the contact information for the Coeur d'Alene Window Company.